All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronoun.com. What we're looking at right now is USDJPY. When it comes to USDJPY, I see something really interesting. I see the fact that we have from point A to point B. Let me go and check this out. Point A to point B, we have point C at 61.8, right? Technically, being the fact that this has gone ahead and gotten 61.8, we will be looking for the continuation for this retrace, right? But I'm starting to see now the fact that this is not an H4's move, this push right here. This is not an H4's move. This is a weekly's move where we have point A, point B, point C, and we're looking for the continuation to point D. Okay? So I don't know if you saw that point C on there. I just didn't want to confuse you. But this is a weekly's move, all right? And what we're looking for is for this to be the continuation of the uptrend that we obviously have. Well, not really uptrend, but it's just weird. But we do have a continuation in this upside move, okay? So what I'm looking for is for this to continue at the least to this level of resistance. Okay, so again, at the least of this level of resistance at this 114 area. Maybe it'll break through. If it breaks through, thank God. Because level of resistance is kind of, I like it because it shows me exactly where price is going, but at the same time, it's like, you know, what are you gonna do? All right, so let's go back to this H4. So I'm guessing the reason why this level of resistance is being created for the 61.8 is because most people are probably focusing on the H4's time frame and are wondering, okay, is this going to continue for this specific move? I'm guessing people are looking for this specific move the same way that at 38 point it found a level of resistance, pushed down, but then got to that level of resistance again and then broke through. I'm guessing a lot of people are thinking the fact that they're thinking that this is supposed to be a continuation of the downside, but are not looking at the weekly's time frame to see the continuation of this upside. Because if you really think about it, what is the market full of? The market is full of people's opinions. But the market is full of people, that's one. But not only just full of people, but full of machines that are built by people. Okay? So the market is going to push wherever it's supposed to push. And I'm almost sure that this is a continuation of a weekly's move to that 114 area. Okay? So I'm looking for this level of resistance to be broken, right? And for the continuation. But at the same time, this could have a retrace in between that continuation to 114. So we got to play defense at the same time of playing offense. What we see here, I'm going to put my fibs right there. I'm going to take off these, no. I'm going to take off these fibs numbers so that we can be able to see straight through this. Boom. That. Alright, so I don't want this, and I don't want this to show, and I don't want 50% to show. Okay, so we have the 61.8. Cool. All right. Now at the same time, this may push to at least 38.2, maybe even 61.8, or somewhere possibly this 50% area, being the fact that there was so much movement happening here, So in between here, this may push down. If it pushes down to about 109 area, no, 109 point. I'm just gonna say 109.8. That's what I'm gonna be looking for. Need a pen. Yo, Amy. So I have a daughter. She's 1. and a half. I gotta give her that. She comes in here and just messes up all my stuff. So I'm looking for 109.8 for price to possibly, it could break through right now, to possibly push down to that 109.8. And I'm not saying to do a buy limit. That's not what I'm saying. All right. But I'm looking for price to get to, if this level of resistance is that strong, I'm looking for price to push down to probably about 109.8. And from that 109.8, I'm looking for the continuation of the upside move. Okay, that's 61.8 point for point A being at the top, point B being at the bottom. All right, I'm looking for, as far as like this continuation, that's not what I'm looking for. As far as point A here, point B here, point C here, that's what I was talking about, 61.8. I'm not looking for this to continue passing this level of resistance. That's not what I'm looking for. I don't think that's what's supposed to occur. But what may happen is this level of resistance may be strong enough to pull some of the buyers out, right? We'll get to about this 109.8 area, and I think the buyers will come back. This level of resistance will turn into support, right? And then from there, continuation to the upside, continuing its move to about 114. Right now, I am personally still in my buy because I got in at a nice point, right? But if it breaks through this level of support, I may just close it out or something like that. Wait for this to push to this area, which is the optimal point for what I'm looking for the continuation of the upside move to 114. If price pushes to 60 to this 50%, 61.8 area, I'll be looking for the continuation. Now, am I saying to sell? That's not what I am saying. The trend is your friend or whatever. What I am saying is I'm looking for anything that I call to you guys is not going to be like a 1 hour move or a short-term thing. I'm going to be sharing with you where I see the trend of the market going so that you can be able to just follow the trend, because that's where the most of your money is going to come from, not from these little pullbacks and stuff like that. There's some people that specifically go for that, and that's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I teach. Safe. Okay. So that's my analysis. I'm looking for price to push down a little bit, right? Possibly. It doesn't have to right now. It can continue. So that's why I don't want to say to get into any type of sell, even though we're at the optimal point for the sell, because it is at that level of resistance. And if anything, you can put your stop right above it, 50 pip stop, but it's on you. All right. So hopefully you understand. If not, go ahead and actually go into fxpronow.com. Check out our 5-step system to become an FX Pro Now on fxpronow.com. We're on every single Monday through Wednesday, every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on fxpronow.com, on our YouTube. Go ahead and actually check our 5-step system. Let's become an FX Pro Now together. Let's get it.